Hi guys. Hi guys, nandito kami sa sa Filipino restaurant.
You look like using him, I don't know, my cell phone or your cell phone, who knows. So what you got here? Beef. What you got for beef?
Not the beef. That's the bistec. That's the turkey. That's the beef. Meatballs is a beef. That's the pork.
Green beans. Pancit.
What's that?
Pancit.
That's the one I like. This one.
This is the one you like it?
What's the difference in this and that?
That's the chicken.
No, the other one.
That's a bistec.
Oh, beef steak.
Yeah.
Oh, beef steak.
This one is the spicy.
Oh, I like that one.
This is spicy.
Yeah.
This one we call caldereta.
Oh, caldereta.
Caldereta.
Chicken.
I like this one.
Curry.
Do the meatballs have bread inside, like gluten bread? Oh.
Sure. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa sa restaurant, Filipino restaurant. Yung nila dito is kawali.
This is a blessing. This is so good. I mean, this is good.
So, ayan,
Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat.
ayan, nagtanong siya kasi, si Papi is gluten-free yan. Kaya nagtanong siya kung anong nilagay sa Ayan, guys, ito is spicy daw.
Now, that's gluten. So, I'm gonna get the beef steak. No, I'm gonna get the beef steak. Beef steak?
Bistec?
Yeah.
Ito sa akin, ate.
Extra onions.
Huh?
Extra onions. If you can.
Well, it's onion.
Yeah.
I have to cut it inside.
You can cut. You have that to cut it up and put more onion.
Oh.
Well, yeah, I can eat onion. I'll ask her to chop onion.
Okay.
Ito sa akin, ate.
Or I can scrape all the onion here.
Yes, I love onions.
The
But no water. I don't like the liquid. Yeah, no liquid.
no soup.
Onion. Yeah, I can put more onion there. Yeah, thank you. Pay extra for the onions.
Hey, onion expensive.
Hey, onion is good. And white rice.
Hey, yeah, give me two.
Ayan guys, ito na yung order namin. Ayan, rice and beef na spicy at saka yung beef stick sa kanya. Look the guy. No. Pa.
Anything else you want? The good onion?
Good, thank you.
One more hot stock?
No, I don't like it hot. Just onion is good enough.
Oh,
Thank you.
because you're modern. Ikaw makain.
Kakain pa. Nabibigyo lang. Sa kanya naubos yung yung ulam, sa akin. Ayan.
My mother to soften the meat, she used a pressure cooker. Well, that thing can explode in your face.
I know, you need to be careful because it's hot.
No, the pressure, because the pressure soften the meat. But
Yeah,
sometimes it's too much pressure.
I know.
One time, I think 2 or 3 times exploded in my house.
Really?
Yeah.
Ayan, ito yung sa akin at saka sa kanya. Ayan, ubos na yung sa kanya. Tapos yung kanin hindi niya pa naubos, pero sa akin naubos na. Ayan. Ano guys, mura lang din dito. Ayan, mga 28 yata. Sa yung mga resam dito, grabe ang mahal ng mga resam. Tapos hindi pa masarap mga pamilya ulam kasi matitigas. Pero dito yung yung ulam, yung karne, malambot siya guys. Masarap pa. Kaya dito kami. Ayan guys, is lunch na ngayon. Ano bang oras na? Ngayon is ngayon alas 3 na pala ng hapon. Close sila dito ng alas 3. Ayan guys, tapos na po kami kumain. Ayan, dyan kami galing. Ayan is naka-chinilas lang kami. Ang lamig guys, kasi mahangin. So ngayon guys, yun na po kami. What? Oh, this area?
Yeah, see, it's not
Oh, it's big.
I know, but in the Sienna, it's not big. It's more like shut, see? And you put stuff there and it rolls down through the they want the seats are different. The Sienna, you got a hole, you know, like leg, you know. But look, you got people here and people here, and then you can fold this, you know, and then part of the trunk.
More space.
Yeah.
And then we buy the pickup truck. Dito na po. Lamig. Mainit dito guys, pero siya? Mahangin, tapos yung hangin malamig.
Yeah, but I'm falling in love with the super.
Ayan. So, ayan nga guys, masarap yung pagkain nila. Yung pangalan ng nila store is Kawali Filipino Cuisine. What's that? Quarter?
Yeah, you.
Ano ka na dito?
Okay, I put some gas on the baby and I turn it back. So, all this too big and
Ayan.
I hear something.
So yan guys, ang sarap kumain sa sa mga ganyan na restaurant kasi yung katulad sa akin Filipino, pag kumakain ng Filipino restaurant, parang nandun na ako sa Pilipinas. Charot. Ayan, ang sarap ng pagana. So, yun, tapos na yung lunch namin guys. Ngayon pupunta kami sa doon. So, yun lang guys for today. Woo! What do you think? That restaurant is good, right?
Huh?
That restaurant?
Oh, it's excellent.
Excellent for
Much
you?
better than Puerto Rican that I go to other restaurants. It's really good. Really good.
Ayan, nagustuhan niya yung pagkain ng Filipino food.
And the meat is
Filipino food.
more soft than ours. Ours is more chewy.
I know.
Because we don't cook it for like many hours.
So this is the technique. We need to like steam first and then, like that.
Usually, my uncle, we just put a little vinegar.
Oh, vinegar.
Yeah, so for the meat, but then you get the vinegar flavor.
Oh, shoot. Like that. So, yan lang guys. Ayan, nagpapagas lang po kami. So, ayun. Ngayon is Friday. So, tomorrow is Saturday. Ayan.
Tomorrow, hopefully, we go to Jungle Gym.
Hey, ayan.
Do be the Jungle Gym.
Yep.
All the countries and the food.
Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching and thank you. And guys, pa-like naman at saka share ang natin video.